Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable one-handed mode in Poco M4 Pro 4G and 5G smartphones. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings, then swipe up, then you need to click additional settings from here. Then you need to choose one-handed mode from here. Then you can select the three options to change the size of the one-handed mode. You can change it to 4.5 or 4 inches or 3.5 inches. Then you need to enable one-handed mode, enable the quick toggle. Then you need to come out to the main screen or any other screen. Now we will need to enable the one-handed mode using gestures. You need to swipe right from the home to return button like this. So this will enter into the one-handed mode. If you want to use with the left hand, you need to swipe left from home to recent key like this. If you want to exit the mode, you need to click the darkened area, tap. So this will exit the mode. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.